In this video, we'll walk you through some general functionality and account settings on Olympia. Let's start with the basics. Here are all the different ways you can begin a new conversation with a consultant. One option is to click the icon that appears when you hover over their name in the left sidebar. If it's your first time connecting with a consultant, you'll receive an introductory message from them, offering insight into their role within your team. You can also start a new conversation with a consultant by typing /new in the active conversation window. Another way to start a new conversation is by clicking on the consultant's profile image to visit their profile. You can use a consultant's profile page to review their capabilities and gain a clearer understanding of the tasks they can handle on Olympia. Just hover over the icons below their name and role for more information. I'll include a link in the description of this video to an article on agent capabilities if you'd like to learn more. Next, let's go through the account settings to ensure you're set up correctly and can manage your account effectively. On the User Profile tab, you can update basic settings such as your name and profile image. It also includes the ability to change your email address if needed. Now, let's take a look at custom instructions. This is information you can provide to your assistants, which they will reference in every interaction. You have a field for what assistants should know about you, such as your line of work and goals, and a field for communication preferences, such as tone and reply length. This is a great way to avoid repeating yourself unnecessarily. Next, on the Integrations page, you'll find third-party services that can be integrated with Olympia. Be sure to keep an eye on our newsletter for news and updates on upcoming integrations. On the Premium Credits page, you'll find options to load credits for our premium features and integrations, as well as a transaction history. On the Usage Log page, you can track token usage and monitor your spending on premium features that require the credits mentioned earlier. In the next tab, you'll find options to update your password if necessary. On the Manage Account and Users page, you'll find options to add additional licenses, allowing you to share your account with your team and collaborate more effectively. Additionally, you can update your account name or delete your account if needed. Please note that if you plan to take a break from Olympia, it's best to cancel your subscription rather than delete your account. This will ensure that your data and past work are preserved if you decide to return. The referral program allows you to earn credit on your Olympia account. When your referral pays their second invoice, we'll credit your account with $5, which will be applied as a discount on your next payment. On the Subscription and Billing page, you can cancel your subscription and access your invoice history. Each invoice includes a link to download it if needed. That wraps up our overview of general functionality and account settings on Olympia. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out via the support link in the description.